Hi, my name is Silvana Alfonso of the group English 70. In this video, according to effects of technology on the environment. In the first part, I think the environment pollution is a direct effect, consequential of technology mismanagement, because we must recognize that there are very serious problems. The incorrect, inappropriate, or simply incorrect use of certain. But we believe that the responsibility is not of technology, but excessive desire for comfort project, reviews analyzing the ecological, social, and human consequences. That the reason abuse hentai. Continuing the second part, I consider that if the computation is placed, the economy stops, and if the economy stops, the function station paper for each of use in the future of our planet. If really. And finally, the two parts in this video, but from my point of view, the impact of the consumers of technologies at a global level is the match on the ecological balance. As I was saying, there are currently many problems related to the excessive consumption of natural resources, for example, poverty, rapid urbanization, the rising levels of consumption, degradation of the lands, entre others cases. In the evaluation these measures of that of the production process, mass plastic and batteries energy in the others pollution and increase global warming. Finally, for take action it's necessary the health from my point of I consider from my point of view. So according to the theme, the topic is necessary for help the governments and the United Nations for finality of the problems in the problem series. Thanks group.